Hello and welcome to this new section of the course, and this is the very first lecture where I'll give you a demonstration of what you're going to be building in this section. So this is one of those sections of the course where you're going to build an application. This particular application is a website with Python. So yeah, Python can build websites, just like other programming languages do. Of course, you need HTML and you may need CSS and JavaScript as well for the client side to render the web page on the browser. But on the backend, you use Python, just like you do with PHP and other programming languages. And yeah, the website that you're going to build is this one here that you see. I mean, it's quite empty for now, it doesn't have any content, but you can fill it with content and use it as a showcase for your work, as a portfolio or anything. So once you reach this point, you can improve it with easy. Also note that this website is now live, so I'll teach you how to deploy a website on a live server so that everyone can browse, can visit your website. So it's a complete tutorial to build a website from scratch and make it work online. Now this is a static website, but later in the course we have other applications where you'll be building more dynamic websites with a database on the backend and also some dynamic features. But this is a great point to start. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this section, and if you have questions, just feel free to ask. And yeah, I'll talk to you in the next lecture.